Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama aku Ashraf dan hari ni kita akan bermain game The Super Cat Bros. I'm so sorry because dah lama aku dah tak main game and buat video sebab aku tak ada content nak buat and aku busy buat study. So, this is Super Cat Bros. I like this game because this game is like a Super Mario and guess what? This Super Mario not just a Mario. The character, it's just cat. Super Cat Bros. So this game is so simple, easy right now. So the point of the game is like the save the other friends from the villain. The villain like monkey. Apa benda tu? Monkey tu. Dah comel tak tu kan? Oh, look at this. So cute look like. Kucing dia. So, yeah, let's go. Oh my god. It's so cute lah, like little paws like that. Paws. Okay, I like to climb. Alright now, then stand on a checkered spot to complete level. Okay. Oh my god, so easy. Ooh, not my taste. Okay. Right now, level 2. I like, it's so nice graphic. Oh, we got bell. Did a simple graphic like a big one. So the way to break. And we just jump right there. Walamak. Oh my god, so cute. Mouse. Level. Okay. Good job, gang. Before I forgot, this game also not very popular but many people like to play this game. So I have to try this game because this game like what to say, it's simple and I just have to walk run with these two control analog. Left and right, so easy, not have to. Oh my god. Okay, now what I have to, this little cute, should I go through forward? Oh my god. Oh no. So it's so dizzy. Hitting minions with stun, you be careful. Oh, so I have to be careful with this little minion, this cute little minions. Okay, another berry we got. Now where's the jump like the ninja warrior? So easy. Oh no. Sila tekan. Push back. Okay. Sorry. I tertekan. Tertekan word lain. Okay. Sorry gang. Oh, tadi dia tidur, ni yang bangun lah. Ni bertebang-tebang. Tak boleh tu. Benda je. Lupa tekan recording. Okay. Let it be ring. Oh, lah jam. Oh my god. Oh no. Sakit. Oh, boleh langgar, boleh pening oh. Alright. Cun. Satu barrel je. Oh, easy. Okay. Rumah ni apa? Oh, ada key. Kita kena cari key je. Ni tempat ni. Okay. Welcome to the Toki village. Oh, nice man. Beautiful, nice guy. Like a nut. Macam kacang. So we have to looking forward for a keys at this stage. Okay. It's easy. We collect water dripping. No, I care water dripping. Untuk apa collect water dripping ni kan? What is this? Please take this 50 coins. Okay. Oh, thank you, man. You're so nice guy. Hey, I love you, man. Hitting minions. Oh, so yang minion tadi tu aku dah pening tadi dia zero. Okay, dah aku pening. Okay, we get another bearing. Bearing macam cerita apa macam Doraemon tau. Oh, so there's a key. Aku bawa masuk key kat situ. Could be to have invest the big oak. Take this key to open the tree entrance. Oh, so this actually kita dah jumpa ni kunci ni. Dia bagi kunci ni sebab ada ancaman beetle katanya lah, kumbang kan. So kita kena tolong dia selamatkan ni. Welcome to the shop. Oh my god. Aku tak ada banyak duit tu. Tak ada aku tau. Aku ada duit just aku tak nak beli apa-apa lagi. Ya tak berminat lah sekarang. Okay. So let's move on. Yeah, we got another one. So we just have to fight the boss, the beetle, okay. Oh, big oak entrance. So this is a big oak entrance that yang dia bagi kunci kita tadi tu. Oh ni ada pintu dia kunci tadi. Kita dah masuk. Alright, kita dah masuk. Okay. Boom. Alamak. Sakit bai. Slow. Aduh. Sakit mat. Sakit. Tengok tu. Comel tu. Tak boleh tu. Apa benda bai. And boom. So. No. Slow man, slow. Kan aku akan kena pening baru tu aku mati baru mampus. Let's say. Up. Alamak lepas. Kan one bearing. Come on. And jump. Okay, lepas ni bagi dia lalu dulu. Aku takut nak lalu. Kena bagi head bump kat muka tadi baru tahu. So dekat sini aku cuba coin. Aku nak jimat coin tu. Aku no. Sakit. Tak guna betul. Bam. Baru tahu sakit kan. Sikit lagi bye. Aku tak nak kena lagi tu. Bagi dia lalu dulu. Comel dia jalan dikit-dikit tu. So here we are. The finish line. Aduh, easy tu. Kau tak boleh kalah lagi tu. Okay. Battle. Oh, so just a battle brawl. Okay, last stage for this chapter boss. Okay, slow. No. Turun. Macam mana boleh jatuh ni? Come on. Okay, bagi dia jalan dulu. Aku tak nak muka aku kena bam nanti muka dia. Bam mana muka dia. Sampai kan. Dah sampai dah bos. Allah. Comel tu. Cuma tambah tengkorak je. Allah, tu je kot. Tak boleh kena. Kena dia baru tahu. Macam mana aku nak pukul dia ni? Weh. Weh, benar dia. Bodoh. Aku hentak kepala aku kat dinding. Lepas tu dia jatuh. Apa aku buat siap kepala aku. Apa tu aku panggil dia ni? Dia lah dia hentak batu. Terus dia panggil Stone Cold kepala buat tak. Hentak sakit kepala dia. So yeah, level clear. Good job gang. So easy. Okay, let's for a break. So this is a chill one. Okay, they just have to ride and brake. Oh my god, sakit bye. Asyik bahaya aku tak lepas ni. Sakit pala aku no. Okay, dapat satu bel. Okay. Bunyi. Banyak meluan lah lama-lama ni. Aduh. Oh, kutip-kutip ni. Woo. Yeay, dapat bye siling. Bel, sorry. So je jadi chill one. Okay. Tadi dah lawan bos kan macam epic fight kan. Tak adalah epic fight mana. GG. So guys, sampai sini saja video aku kali ni. Okay, sorry sebab aku dah tak lama main. Yelah kan, aku ada busy and study. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum. Ashraf Fighter channel.